Alexander Fleming found the penicillin in 1928. Later, they found antibiotic resistance for that. So it was no longer helping sick people to recover. So every time we find a new antibiotic, and later we find resistance to that.
The goal of the project is to detect antibiotic resistance genes in the All-American water canals and the river that flows through the Imperial Valley.
And that water that contains antibiotic resistant genes, they're able to be transferred into the crops.
And if those crops get the bacteria, we are consuming the crops, so then that's how they can transfer to us.
As a result of that, the antibiotics that we use to treat more serious conditions can become less effective.
Imperial Valley is understudied and underrepresented. This is kind of a salad bowl of US, if you will, because leafy grains are being produced here. As a researcher, we want to understand what is out there in the environment. What are the hotspots, reservoirs of these resistant bacteria?
So my focus on this project is looking at antibiotic resistant genes in sediment over Cindy's topic, which is surface water.
My role in the project is collecting water samples and filtering those samples in order to just get the biomass that's present in the water in order to be able to detect what antibiotic resistance genes are present. And we're trying to see if it's because of the livestock presence or if it's because of hospitals or what is actually contributing to the abundance of these genes.
From this experience with antibiotics, understanding how antibiotics are used, how they treat patients, this can help me prepare for medical school or just any other future in medicine.
Dr. Kaya has allowed us to put in our input on the methods we should use, the protocols we should follow. And for this project, I feel like I have learned why I'm doing a specific step and what the reason is for it, which has helped me understand more of the science behind everything.
So we use some techniques in the lab, so I train them. So far they have been involved method development, doing review. From not being able to use the pipette, now they are running the project. Yeah, I'm very, very proud.
I think just being able to experience working in a real lab really helps me to gain experience and motivation for working in the future. I would highly recommend research experience to any student, especially in the biology field.
It has been a positive experience. I've definitely learned a lot and I feel like I've grown as a student.
Imperial Valley is different than San Diego, and most of the students are first generation. And I myself, I am a first generation, and we are shaping the next generation, and SDSU made it possible.